Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I want to talk to you about a crucial component of the IELTS exam, the speaking test. This segment is designed not to just to assess your command of English but to gauge how effectively you can communicate in an everyday situation. Let's break down what you can expect and how you can excel in each part. Part 1. Introduction and Interview. In the first part, you will engage in a straightforward conversation with the examiner. This section typically lasts between 4 to 5 minutes. You will be asked to introduce yourself and discuss familiar topics such as your home, family, work or studies. The aim here is to help you relax and comfortable with the speaking process. To succeed in this section, focus on speaking clearly and confidently. Practice common questions about your background and interests. Remember, this is your opportunity to showcase your ability to converse naturally in English. Part 2. Long turn. The second part is often seen as a bit more challenging. Here you will receive a task card with a specific topic and setup prompt. You will have 1 minute to prepare and then need to speak for 1 to 2 minutes on the given topic. This part assesses your ability to organize your thoughts and speak at length. To prepare effectively, practice speaking on the various topics for a set period. Develop the habit of structuring your responses with the introduction, main points and conclusion. Use the preparation time wisely to outline your thoughts and ensure a coherent delivery. Part 3. Discussion. The final part of the speaking test involves a deeper discussion related to the topic from part 2. This segment lasts between 4 to 5 minutes and requires to express your opinion, provide reasons and explore more abstract ideas. To excel in this section, practice discussing a range of topics with a focus on presenting clear arguments and supporting them with the relevant examples. Engage in a discussion with a friend or mentor to build your confidence in articulating complex ideas. Tip for success: practice regularly. Practice is a key to improving your speaking skills. Engage in a conversation, join speaking clubs, or use language exchange platforms. Listen actively. Pay attention to how native speakers express themselves. Note their pronunciation, intonation, and the way they structure their speech. Be confident. Confidence plays a significant role in how you perform. Even if you make mistakes, stay calm and continue speaking. Expand your vocabulary. Rich vocabulary allows you to express your ideas more precisely and effectively. In conclusion, the IELTS speaking test is an opportunity to demonstrate your ability to communicate in English. By understanding each part of the test, practicing regularly, you can approach it with the confidence and achieve the result you desire. Ready to take the next steps towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pinned comments below. Don't miss the opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips. See you in the next video.